Hey. Hey. Make sure walk with 2 CD. That's how you hustle you always do. Walk with at least 2 or 1. Yeah. So I couldn't find the belt for my outfit. So I just threw it on. But if you notice, I don't want to put the album in here because I don't want to squeeze up, but I walk with 2. If you notice the pants, how far the crotch is, it feel like you have on a dress, and then it up down the bottom part. It has a belt. It comes with a black and yellow belt, but I don't know where the belt is, so I just throw it on. It's really cool. It's nice. It's Charlie Chaplin. That's what they call the style they used to wear a long time ago, and they used to call it Charlie Chaplin. That's the name of it. No, I don't have a right in public street to do what the hell I want to do. You're looking at me like I'm asking you to suck, you know what? Damn rude. Looking at me like, you know, like I don't have a right to myself. These people are damn rude, you know. Smoke your cigarette, buddy. Come on, don't do that. I get like a grapeseed and a pie, sit and potato. Come on, some French fry. I have some sweet potato there. But when they cook the fresh potato them last night, I never eat them because my belly is full. And I get up about 3 o'clock, I'm really hungry. I want to eat the potato and the corn them. That left over. But the reason why I didn't eat it because I feel like if I eat it that late, I wouldn't be able to digest it and go back to lie down. And I'm going to get heartburn. So that's why I never eat. I really have to fight my mind to tell me, no, do not eat it. Olivet, you're going to get sick. It's too late to sleep and wake and eat again and go back to sleep. You know, you're not 15 and 16 no more. You do it all the time. But sometimes when I do that, I don't feel hungry in the morning. I wake up for breakfast because when I eat like 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, go back to sleep. When it's like 9, 10 o'clock, I wake up, I'm still full. So my belly always big because my belly not get time to like go down and process all the food before more food goes in. I don't do that no more. You know, once I eat that, I may feel good. Even though I feel a bit hungry, I still not go back. I go on my bed, I not get up and eat no more. I go on my bed, sleep in my bed, and get up normal like everybody else. So I know I got to tone up and firm up. I know that. But the reason why I'm not firm because I'm always do is because I ain't get to work out from the other day. As you guys know, that when I do in 1 week time, I firm and hard. So that no nothing. The most important thing is when I pour on no work for excess nasty fat. I eat the kale and apple and I eat enough. I'm losing a lot of weight while I eat enough. You know, so it doesn't matter. I don't want to be skinny, but at the same time, I'm too old to carry a lot of weight. Coming up the subway and all them things. Once I firm up this, it's going to look good. So when I come talk about you have a boyfriend, no matter if I have a boyfriend or not, and some of you know where I look woman, I come talk about boyfriend because them I look woman. And some of them are ex-boyfriend I don't want. But then dirty thinking self. So then come on, put in profile and yes, in my life. Then come on if you come bring me down because they can't get me. Come talk about your boyfriend gonna cheat on you. I don't have a boyfriend and I don't want none. God never met me boyfriend. God met me by myself. I don't look a soul. I'm going for a rich man come on in rotten rich. I'm like, boy, I'm rotten rich, you know, and can buy me a house and set up my big business and shit. I'm going to take him because guess what? God not going to send me for that. I mean, all as me, if I get a chance, you're not going to take it. You idiot. And as much as you don't want nobody, you get a chance like that, you have to take him also. Right now, I need some fix up my dental work, I need to fix up my face and tighten it up and fix it up and put it behind my ears with duct tape. I'm lucky, darling. I get a chance right now, old white Jewish man. Me take him in an instant like a fly. I know, say me, I married him too. You know, come at big and miss like my papa. Wasn't no damn good. Come at big and miss and have me here suffer. Huh? He hate me, man. I know what they do. But yeah, it's the truth. I'm not going to tell you, don't have boyfriend, you don't have to tone up. Me the one who watch big fat woman, them will look like barrel pan too, they will look like Eminem. And they still have husband, they look like Eminem. I love you as well also. Eminem. With a peanut inside, with 2 legs. And her husband love them. And her life is good, so don't worry about me for. Eh? Bright and out order. So when they come for here, look something, you know, come for here with them damn mix up and damn miserable. You know, I come for come look trouble. You know, I come for come big up them thinking self. Like a human being. Bad mind, one ain't bad mind, you know. But I realize me I want a man don't care her ass. Don't care, that's me, I don't care. Don't care, fuck up. I don't care. My bag there, I got the potato, I'm gonna get the grapeseed aisle. I'm gonna get the potato, I'm gonna get the grapeseed aisle. Get the potato, I'm gonna get the grapeseed aisle. Goggle them, goggle. But now I'm not short, girl. A bad mind, no. Some people can buy more, but you them bad mind, they don't want. They don't want to see it away. They want to stay one place all the time. They want to stay one place all the time. They don't, them bad mind, grudgeful. They don't want you reach nowhere. Them bad mind and grudgeful, they don't want you reach nowhere, Papa. They want you for dead if you're hungry. Starve. And catch fly. Don't. Starve and catch fly. That bitch must go down, man. People like that bitch, she's ugly. You see that ugly bitch, people like her? And look how much things we post the other day, we ain't get no likes. We do a video, we ain't get no view like that, and we all look good in our Indian hair and shit, man. That bitch, I can't stand her. Look at that bitch, people really watching her. That's how they talk about me, man. I see one girl, she come on there last night. She was like, look how much, it's 700 people watching our live, and we ain't got no life when we supposed to be out hanging out. Bitch, ain't nobody stop you from hanging out. Ain't nobody tell you to come on my live. My life is for the ones who love me and want to be there. Don't come in here and complain about why the people don't go, why they and then we all should outside getting together instead we are here watching this woman. I mean, what kind of talk? A bad mind talk that my girl. At the internet around the place now. Nobody no pan on a party no more like one time. People are get killed and shot up all about. People have their little phone and when they done, then go pray. When I have my little phone, I take off my clothes, my makeup and pray and yeah, my food big and built and fat big. And got my bed. I'm still with God. Don't get it twisted. It's just the internet for have little fun. Fat. Somebody I go dress up on a party and spend much money for going to a party again. Much money turn up on a line. Like you go hospital. Nobody don't have time for that again, my girl. Now, I pray last time I got to come on the road, I get empty. I'll store in my lockdown. People out there get work. Can't find food. We can't find much. See me, I struggle. I try to make a music and sitting. To keep my head above water. Send me like a bleaching cream. And when them bad mind feet, they want to say it no work. So they want for them and tell lies them use it no good. That time I sell bleaching cream too. I sell them start selling because they see me I do my little hustling. So when they mix up for them, no one try to follow me. They start tell people some for me cream no good. Forget people for buy for them cream. I say when one girl sell good cream, that time of them say when I sell cream, you know. Then I go tell people say me man and me I sell cream man. Because I want the people know what I do. So then tell the people buy cream for that, buy cream for the cream not good. This and that. The time them I sell cream, then get the idea from me for mix cream and sell. And then I want me sell. So they want me customers them. And then stay upon my same very line here. And talk bad about me. And I make them make money. Yes, I saw them stay. But they me look so much Olivet profile pop up, Olivet smelly. Well, it's not even me. So sometimes people might go call up my name and say, Olivet said this, and Olivet said that. It's not poor Olivet. That is not me, my child. Them do all kind of things, make a profile in your name, and mess with people. Forget people come and cuss you. I tell people, say you said this and that, and they don't even you. Them do all kind of nastiness, you know, because they're nasty minded. You know, that's how they is. That's how they survive. You know, I tell you, but it's life, you know. It's life. What you gonna do? If the devil is raging, the devil is raging. You can't stop the devil. Look every time we come here, see the people in company and eat. Because the ones who come here, see them love. They're not real goody. And when they're not real, they want to blame you because them bad mind against you. Some of them come, them love you. Oh, I love Olivet so much. Olivet this, Olivet that. And then come on. That's why they have the little group here with them plan and sitting over there, you know. And then the person come on and start to act like they like you and start to insult you. Nicely, nicely, nicely. When I say nicely, I mean nicely. Start to insult her real nice. You know, and smile and I laugh half of you. Say, oh, you never do nothing about it because you think say, you're my friend. One of this thing I learn a lot. I have a lot of goodies that support me and really love me. I have a lot of enemy also. I mean, know a lot of people who come. Since me upon the social media thing, it learned me a lot. Thank you, Jesus. I've learned, boy. I learn people rush up to you good. I want to, when I get in popular, I'm going to tell you what happened to you. When I get in popular, expect this. You want to make the money? Expect this. If you're doing anything that making money, people are going to try to stop you from making money. Because them bad minds you're popular. Expect people that you're trusting going to fail you and trying to pick argument with you so they can go up on social media and try to make a buzz for themselves because them bad mind against you. So don't tell people your business or anything you don't want the whole world to know, because as soon as they get popular, them a rush come out to bust themselves because them bad mind against what you do. They can't stay with you and eat and drink with you and enjoy what you do. Them going to go against you to try to take what you have for themselves. Expect that. That's one thing we can. Whatever money you spend to buy things from people that you know, whenever you go to buy something from them, the price won't be the same anymore. Even if you're not making any money, long as you know you got a couple number of people and bullshit, and the price goes up. Right? So you end up paying up more. Also, people will insult you and treat you the worst way. And as soon as they say somebody run up to you and say hello to you, and the person say, well, I really like you. And so, you know, they want to know who you is. And the person like, oh, you know, I watch her on Facebook and so she's pretty cool and funny. Like, really? Yeah, man, and this and that. And that's the time they want to come and start to like you. But before they was ready to insult you. Let me tell you that. That's another thing you got to expect. Another thing you got to expect, ex-boyfriends and so on, they're not going to be too happy for you, especially if they're not going to be able to get back with you or be with you. So them themselves is going to be like the haters and join along with them. They might not come the way you expect them. They're going to come in fake profile and they will sit in right next to you, lie next to you in the same house or somewhere else and still act like somebody else and tell you all kind of things. Because that's what they do. Right? I got the grapeseed oil. This is what I was killing myself to get because this is what I cook with. You know, I got my fish out there yesterday and I got the grapeseed oil. So, yeah. See? So I had to rush down here and try to get it because that's what I cook with. So I can make me some French fries, some fish, and some kale salad. I can't change the way I eat. That's the problem. I try. If I eat a lot of sodas, I eat a lot of stuff, I'm going to get big and all my skin not going to be full out and everything again. But I know that. But at the same time, I just can't. My body just can't do it no more. My body get used to doing the right thing. I'm not the right thing. I start to feel funny. I feel fresh. I feel young. I feel good at this way. So if I continue to eat the way I know it's right and just go and work out, that's all it is. I don't worry about good body because I know I have good shape and by the time I work out 1 week and do some squats and some push-ups, I look damn good. So that me not worry. What me glad about is losing the big piece of fat I have around the waist. And it go all the way down on my back. And it kind of like you want to come at the back like when alligator swallow 2 person. I never like that. So that is something that I get rid of. It shrink all the way down. So I don't care nobody want to say. And then I can tighten up the rest. You see, I'm not young no more like 20 and 30. I'm 44, honey. Either 44 or 43. One out of the two, I don't know. 74 my band. Right? So, and so on. I don't live through people and them nonsense and them negativeness. The world is here for you to love, to share, and do what you want. What you believe, not what somebody believe. Okay? You don't have to be like everybody else to be welcome in life. Be yourself. Why you have to be like everybody else? Everybody wear part on the side, you wear part on the side. Part in the middle. Everybody wear this contour makeup, you wear the same contour makeup. Do whatever you please. Especially if you're a person that like heart. Do whatever you please. You care what people think? Some of these damn idiots, they go on YouTube talk about, you know, that's disrespectful because she paint herself black. What I supposed to do, paint myself white? Tell me. What's the problem painting yourself black? I saw this female in a video before, and she have her whole self painted black, and she was winding up and dancing like it's like a carnival. You guys remember that? Sure. It's just like a painting. So I'm put my black makeup on. Why y'all gonna talk about, yeah, because this if it was if this was a white person doing it, it'll cause controversy. Why should that you hating on black people? Dumbass bitch, go and sit down. Hating on who, what, and where? I do what I please. If I feel like I go darker, I can go darker. I'm a black person. I'm never gonna go try to be white. And paint myself white and put in blue eyes and try to discriminate against black. I'm black. I'm sure it's black is beauty. I'm not afraid for wear it or put it on. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. And it's a heart. That's a beautiful piece of art. Like I can take a picture and blow up and put by your wall. Right, goodie? I don't care what people say. When my sister used to cheat on her husband, she get mad at her husband and she take down her husband photo off the wall where the husband and the mother hug up. Because the mother never like her. And smash it. And take out the photo and put her dead father in one coffin. Or she get from a funeral night. I hang up it back on the wall. Oh, not bother with me here. If one of the things I want, girl, I use this spot for no easy pimple bump for no come bust. It's a pimple bump and easy for bust there. Come with no underprivileged self I can't talk about. No, me talk about me have good ones who love me, goodies who really love me, I'm humble, no know me humble. But when the drunk when them come by, I can talk about you know, this and shit that. Go and make on the way. I go to friendship and go no help a number of people and when I don't come and cuss me like a dog. And when I come and disrespect me, you know what I do? I go and find where it coming from. And someone on the my line. And I ask up on us friend. And I still build up on the shit to know about 5,000. And when I'm done, I turn around and make a fake profile. And take if it cost me. And when it leave right back to Ono and still up on my line, I cut no off. I'm going to go and want to 5,000 and block Ono. Because you have no right after me give you so much number to make profile or leave right back to your page them and cost me. So one must want the people who can disrespect people. The whole everybody goes down in that group. That's how it works. You can't kill one ant, you have to kill all of them. And so ants can continue biting your mama ass. You see? Cuss you and then run, come make a profile and cuss you and think it's okay if you cuss you and sit down by your line. Damn out harder. Ha! It a bun them carol. Call and get your CD 347-469-3874. Call in for your problems. And I can fix your problems for you. Call in, baby. Frog like candy. Your mama come off your dirty crackies, girl. I love you. I really, really love you. I love you. Hater, I love you. Oh, yes, girl. Bad mind shocker, you know. And bad mind so till, bad mind I kill. Some of them will want to right them will. Gunshot a fire still. Stealing a body. They never see a bad girl like me. Want to come war, me never walk empty. Gunshot a fire left the shell them empty. Remember, me not afraid feel lie down a cemetery, but I know me alone. Me not afraid feel lie down a cemetery, but I know me alone. Dopey want come face me in a them dopey gun. Load up them out with them damn dial tone. Tell a girl to sit down and go humble sit down, cause I know me alone. They want me to go down a cemetery, but I know me alone. They might come with them badness and load up them out with them dial tone, but I know me alone. Want me go a cemetery, me body lie down, but I know me alone. Them a come like a send back blow. Dopey have them a tip on them toe. Them think I so like them a dance go. Them a talk about what and them don't know. Me say Tita, me say all in a row. Donkey want water for all them job. Some of them a talk about and let them go. Them a talk. Me move but them me move too fast and them a move slow. And my body alone no a symmetry. Remember me tell a girl me never walk empty. Some girl a talk like they walk come threaten me. Why you know say like me no want no girl can't threaten me? Yeah. Say the best till late them walk at night. Them dopey always look a fight. You dopey them a walk and a look a stripe. But me telling you something not up in height. Right and wrong can't give me wrong bang. God in me heart that them can't stand. Some a talk about them a bad man weapon. Pull it up, load it out and they shot them a fire. Crack. You think you a man a bus flyer? I want to them. Me cool and me na preach war. But them a go like them want to bust me brain. Me a go take it far. You want for me body in a earth. But me a tell you before that your skull burst. Someone a go like on a damn blood thirst. Uno then soul no soul to the devil want to make me sacrifice. Want to see me body upon the ice. But believe me tell you no already. Me believe in a Jesus Christ. Them a mouse like a mouse and a like a rat and a mice. Yo. Why them a preach? Taking out them teeth. Burn them like a flea. Please remember me. When eat them a come preach myself. When a boy can't come make me spirit come fly like no damn bird or no dove. Lie down a dead cuff. Lie down a dove cut. I left Jamaica since me so long, about 16. So now when I do reggae, sometimes my tongue get twisted up. We go back to certain words I want to say all over again. But it's okay. It was worse when I just started. That's why I always give Diallo credit. Because, you know, with him and me do music at the studio, regardless, it's not good, he can have good art, you know, and bring me far away. So, good art, you know, I'm a good artist person. I'll be a hypocrite. I'm still going to song again. I'm still going to song again, trust me. Because we have that, we good like that, isn't it? Trust me, respect me, I'm going to respect him. We have that friendship, regardless of what. Regardless, whatever happened, we're still friends. No, we're friends, because, you know, we click. When it comes to music, we really click, trust me. Two of us together, really click when it comes to music. You know what I'm saying? When you're laughing, like you think of something that's nasty. Not like no out of need stuff. Don't do that. Don't spoil stuff like that. Don't do that. Why you laughing, goodie? Why you laughing, man? Your style turn up now. On to you. On to you, baby. Damn, I lost my ears ring. Tell me no. Tell me I lost my damn earring, girl. I'll tell you, God damn it, girl. Oh no. That's a beanie man down there. Yeah. Goes to blood clot. The man that goes to knock on him and get into rise. But I sit and dash up on the ground. Big up my youth. Big up, beanie man. Much love, yeah. Yeah. Love everybody, you know. I know. No disrespect. Love everybody. Big up being a man. Because people wicked, they want to send me to prison and say for murder. That me can't put me on pan. So I'm going to believe people again and not know what they say. Because guess what? Don't try to do it to me. God no. I'm not like God no. Innocent me. Me can't go kill people. I don't know about these people, man. All this stuff's still on the ground now. All of it. A long time, someone who no crucifix close on no mouth. Pop, pop. And some boy them a run out them damn lab mouth. Pop, pop. You never hear say you not fit shock. Anything you see if you thought not come back. Pop, pop. Some girl a sit down every day as somebody fi get rock. Pon top. When you talk about me, you want fi come flop. Oh no. Oh not. Oh not. Oh not. Oh not. Oh not. Girl say them look like them white in a middle like they need panga nut. Oh what? Oh what? Girl white in a middle like she need panga nut. Oh what? Oh what? Oh what? Oh what? Say you white in a middle and you need panga what? Oh what? Oh what? When you white like that you have to put quench it on the top. For the top. You better lock. Now make the man see that all the red it can out of your gap. Oh what? Oh what? Some girl want to stop me and me come on the top. Oh what? Oh what? See me like a coconut island run down pan top. Oh what? Oh what? Oh what? Oh, oh baby. I love you too. Oh what? Yes, baby girl. Hi, mommy. What you doing, boo-boo? Oh, them in a must free. Me can't turn it down. Pretty girl, take your pretty crutches and come to me. Where's you the want again? Alright, so you want one celebrity white and one of the $60 one, the one for the eczema. Oh, you want that one. Or you want the extra you want the $40 one of that. And what else you want? Alright then. So I'm going to hook it up. See you when you come. Yeah, baby. Alright. See you when you come. You're welcome. Okay, but you want one celebrity white, one $40 cream, and one soap. I gotta go hook up good stuff. Celebrity white bad, you know. You see, I good, you see how black my face was and look so terribly yesterday. You see the difference by today. Yo, me can't live without rubbings, you know. Yo, me can't. Yo, me look for myself up. Me know me go do? My plan said me could have just cream from my face to my waist alone. And no cream my leg them and stuff. Cause sometimes my leg them so light, like the vein them show a long time I have them from me pregnant and then no can't see my leg how it really stay without the stacking. That's why I come wear my leg all the time without stacking before me work out a lot. I don't have that problem. But when you don't work out a lot, them pop up. When I work out a lot, and take time to then disappear. Work out a lot for the way that for your blood circulate, trust me. So, you know, and so on. But otherwise, you know, but me not like, if you come out and be a certain way, like, you know. So then I come and do the video real short for uno, so I can see how I stay real quick. You know, I'm really big, I'm mustn't fit tight up, but I'm not do it for long because that's not my type of thing. That's not the kind of thing I really like. But since me I do the music and so, it's just like if we bring off the music shows, I have a CD and people are going to like for fast. And I'm going to look because and buy it and patronize me at least. But it's not something I like because I have millions of sexy outfit here. I'm going to put on Instagram every day. But it's not something I really like, you know, because it's like something I passed through already. But I just go on for a little. See, me like, I'm my shorts, I'm stocking, I'm regular clothes, my dance, I feel more comfortable than having a small place. But it cover up because I have a brown stocking, I have a black stocking, I have a panty underneath there. Plus I have the outfit over it. So it's very covered, but it's a point that just show the size. The camera make me look much bigger, especially my face. The camera really doesn't do anything for my face, I could tell you. Because looking at me on the camera, even myself, when people see me in real life like that, my face is so small, looks so different. I noticed that. You know how I know? Big up Ashanti 362. I have no problem with no one, you know, and so on. Big up Dr. Love. Big up Shibada, the original, not the fake ass Shibada, the real one. Because Shibada is my boy from long time, you know. You know, and I don't forget when I started, Shibada was always with me, sharing my videos and stuff with me. So I can't forget Shibada. I don't reach nowhere yet, and it's a struggle, and sometimes we all go through a struggle, but I don't forget him. He's a good and precious soul. I can tell you that. I don't care what nobody say. It was a good food when me did me good, and so on. You know, and so on. Also a rapper crapper, me never have anything or anybody, you know. I'm good with everybody, you know. And I try to live good with everybody as much as I can, you know. Big up Miss Olive, big up yourself too. I don't like when people try to like bring Miss Olive down, because she used to come outside when I was out there selling enough days, and she come and stand up with me when me out there sell and talk, and so she kind of cool, you know, like she humble, and she look good, you know. Seeing Ashanti, why Ashanti name come up, because I think it was last year sometime I went shopping in Queens and I run into Ashanti, and I'm telling you, if you watch Ashanti online now, or even look at him through the video, you would not believe that he looked nothing like that, you know. And he looks so much older on the camera and looks so much different. Ashanti got brown eyes, like kind of like hazel eyes, real eyes, and he's very good looking, and he's much younger than what you're seeing there. He have very soft on him, and him soft like baby body, soft, nice soft on them. Him is a very attractive young man. But looking at the thing and watching that, you could never tell. You could never tell, because it's like it don't show the youthfulness of the person. You know, when I saw him, I could tell anybody that man look good. He look really good when I see him. He look good. Any girl we want him, he look good. Me not lie, he look good. When me say good in real life. Him not really big, him not fat neither, him not shape, but him just look really nice. Him look much young. I don't know how old he is, but he don't look old like when you see the camera show. When I saw him last year. Last year when I saw him, I was in a bad place because you know, I was at the old house, rat house, and things were so good. But, you know, I try my thing and then get over here, so I get through, and, you know, God is good. Big up everybody. So, like I said, the camera sometimes doesn't make you look like, you know, people say, why you look so ugly, but when you see in real life, you look so much different from the camera. Camera does make you look older. It does make your face look bigger. It doesn't give much justice to you. But you got to do your thing, because like they say, it's a small little thing, you know. So when they bring it up like that, how you look, I mean, that's how you look. You know, yeah, but God bless you. I love you all. Always pray to God, and regardless of what, just keep your punches up. Be yourself in this world. Remember, this world wasn't made for you to wake up every day and go to school and go to college and to be saying good morning to Mrs. Mary when you see her, good morning to Mr. Purry when you see him, and all these kind of things. And you must, if them even don't like you must say good morning to them. No, that's the way I was grown. You know, say good morning when you see these people. Good morning. Don't pass them and say good morning. Do this, do that. And sometimes them people, they don't give a damn about you. It's a new world order. Only world is not like what it used to be. When I grew up and growing up and see yellow yam and grown and all kind of yam and sweet potato and all kind of thing. Nobody never tell me, say, well, years ago, when it have slavery and all them thing, then it changed. Then it take some things and try to make some different kind of food, you know. And then you start buying and buying them, you know. So when you're born and come see planting, you say, well, I God make planting. When planting was actually man-made, you tie with something to make with something to make planting. So you carry a lot of starch in it. You know what I mean? A lot of these things that we eat carry a lot of starch in it because it was man-made. It like we take a mango and put on the next mango tree and tie it and grow a next different, that's what them do. But the starch binding, that's why a lot of people, you notice a lot of older people in Jamaica who are dying of diabetes, heart disease, and all these things, and they was just eating from the ground. But not everything from the ground. Some things from the ground have a lot of starch in it, like a whole bunch of starch, just like flour in it. Right? Even cassava, I love bami. But my grandmother, she used to wash a lot of this. Understand what I'm saying? You can quietly take your stinking ass and excuse yourself, because if you don't understand what I'm saying, you don't have to be here and trying to figure out what I'm saying. Go somewhere where they speak English, where you have no problem to understanding what I'm saying. I'm a born Jamaican. I'm proud of being myself. I'm proud of anyone. I'm not afraid to be different. I'm not afraid, because I'm not here to please who wants to be pleased. I'm here to please my damn self and make other people happy in the world. I don't come here to be like a broke down television station that just be on one station all the time and one thing all the time. I do whatever I please. I do what I like, and I move on with life. Okay? I am not here to go to school and finish and graduate and college and can't get a job. I'm not here to run down money when machine is making money and I just can't get enough of it. Okay? I'm not here to crucify Jesus Christ because there's a Satan and there's a living God. I am not here to put down anybody in anything that they're doing. People change in times and people change when they want to change. Nobody remains the same in life. As you get older and you mature, you change and you change because you know what life really is. Some people that never change and never get sensible and they never get nowhere. But when you learn the way of life and faith and believe in God and love and not to be like everybody else, not to do the same thing everybody do and to believe in everything that everyone do, then you're going to be different. Okay? Don't be like everybody else and everybody expect you to be like this and be like that and be like this to please them. No, no, no. You be like who you want to be. If you want to wear this clothes, you wear it. If you want to wear your hair this way, you wear it. That's your damn business. Who don't like it, they don't have to look. Okay? This world is mean when your breath left your body, nobody's going to casket but you. Nobody. You be lying there all alone, my nigga. Ain't nobody going to tell you, hey, you can't lie in the casket, get up, walk, and you going to walk. You going to still be lying there. Live your life, enjoy your life. And who don't like you, you know what to tell them to wear. Go and suck some ice cream. Go and suck some ice cream and enjoy your life. Suck some ice cream and enjoy your life. Yes, put the ice cream all the way down your throat and swallow the ice cream fast so it could cool and freeze up your brain. Eat some ice cream and enjoy your life. Okay? Stop depending on life and planning for next year you're going to buy this and that and you not enjoy your life. Now, enjoy your life now, okay, know what next year going to look like. If you have to give the woman a little bit of money and help her out, help her. Stop telling her about a plan to buy this next year, you know. I right up on a woman's cunt. I plan to buy this next year and I can't trouble her money. The next year you might be dead and you get to buy where you go buy. Give the woman the money. When I want to ride up on a woman's cunt and not think about that. I want to don't know what about when I promise the woman I try to change your thinking mode. I don't realize you know breath stink on the woman. You must stop it, man. Stop it and tell the truth. Some of the bread stink on the woman, them when suck your breast, the bread stink. But you let them go ahead and suck it because you know you need the money. Because you tell them they still stink. I mean, what you going to do if the person still? You know? Yeah. And some of them, man, you know, I tell you, it's not right. I don't care who want to bring me down when I speak the truth. The breast stink. Right on the nipple part stink. We spit so like it, you know it stink. Yeah. Then it happened to my girl there. And he catch something up on it. Like yours. Yeah, because them wicked, man. They're wicked. When they put their mouth all about them don't care about nobody, then come tongue bat along with them tongue. Thank God, me not tongue bat, nobody don't. Thank you, Jesus, hallelujah, Shekra Ilama, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for the little help good them give me thank you, because boy, you don't want to smell it, you don't want it close to you, you don't want to take it. The devil is a wicked son of a gun, you know. And when the devil have you down and he start to whine up in his street, the devil, sometimes they sound like dog, then start to bark. Hey! Ha! Ha! Wicked sin. And them alone feel sweet. And you're saying to yourself, so when you're going to seek the Lord and be baptized, when you're going to stop this? I'm looking for love. I'm talking about looking for love. I know a woman on the yard and wife on the yard, girl on the yard and walk all about. I draw on a freaking balls all about like a stray dog. And I talk about when this and when that. Baby, I don't cook the food. Baby, why you don't want to do nothing? Because you come like a stray dog, your balls draw all over the damn street. People tired of you. Nasty. Cheat on their wife, cheat on their girlfriend. Just feel like a feelings. God no must come for you, I'm tired. I'm tired, baby. And some of them have the nerve, you know. Them skin is, I don't know what happened to them. Some of them, they come in like a map. For them skin long like a map, you know. They come like a map. There's no ending to for them skin. But they want to take it and put by you. They want to use that sacrifice like a big nail and nail it through you. Like a sledgehammer. Nasty sugar daddy vex every day in compare. A couple days ago, I upload back WhatsApp on the next phone, guys. Don't forget. I upload back WhatsApp so I can get back into me. Tired, making enough to do. Calm down to things I'm not loving. So I upload the WhatsApp back again. When I go on Mr. Sugar Daddy, pitch up, come up on WhatsApp. I said, well, what the hell is this? Why this man saving my number on his phone? Because I don't have it saving. Why you have it and it popping up? And the thing. I had to go and block it. You want to see him face too. You can't see the sin upon him now. Why you hot him, he can't get his hands upon me, you see? You can't see how God beat him and the revenge upon him. Man, wicked, you see, man. I never met a man in my life wicked, so. Girl, sometimes I don't want to talk, you know. But sometimes I want to keep talking about it so people understand me. I always end up back in the same place about sugar daddy. He's a wicked son of a gun. The man boxed me in my face, girl. How many times the man boxed me in my face, child? Big woman like me. Take him big old dirty and like me, I'm child. And box me in my face. Him from Trinidad, from Pint. That mother's country come from Pint in Trinidad. Girl, you see me? He's a big man, you know. He's a big man, you know, girl. And sometimes I feel like killing you, you know, Tina. I tell you, boy, I feel like finish you, you know. I give you 150,000, boy. I was telling my boy the other day, look now, I come and give you this. She had 50,000 there. I come and give you this. I give you that. I just give that to man not too long. $150,000, boy. Right now, I give that to man 200,000. Right now, my boy, go and tell the next one, I give that to man 250,000, you know. I give that to man $300,000, man. Man say, what? Say what, boy? You what? You not live in a house and you live with your wife and two penny and you get a girl over 300,000, boy? And you not buy a house? Boy, I tell her just so. I give to she, boy. I give to she because I just like she. I just like the girl, you know. And she does nice to me. I give to she. But guess what happened now? Nowadays, the girl don't want nothing to do with me, boy. I call the girl a couple times. The girl getting mad and talk about, why you calling my phone and stacking my phone? You know what she did, my boy? I go over the girl house and call the girl. But when I look into call the girl, I see the girl and she step. You know what the girl did? The girl look and see me in the van, boy. You know what the girl did? She take a goddamn hammer. No, I work hard for my money to buy. And she take a hammer and she come out with 2 cellular phone. And she put them on the step and she bust them with a hammer. I buy she them 2 phone. Why do I need to have 2 phone, police and me plus my regular phone? You give me 2 phone and me have 1. I call phone, 1 phone ring after that. I call, I hunt me down. Me nearly mad. Me come up on the step and take 1 hammer them in front of you when I put up in your van. I go back in and lock me do and dash them out there. They are out of order. Only thing I like to sit me got you. Only nothing laugh, man. Only nothing laugh. Because this is a serious matter like Bogle matter. It's a serious matter and not something to laugh with. Because I'm going to lose my life just so. Sugar daddy could have killed me. It's a serious matter. It's not something to skin teeth pan and play with people's life. When I didn't want to put up with sugar daddy no more, he box me in my face. Me tell sugar daddy I can't. Sugar daddy take him and lick me devil in the man. See me banana can't. Look at me banana get soft now. Look at me banana get soft now. Because me have the banana pan you. All you do a prayer. Look up in the ceiling and I pray. While me I try do my thing. Yeah, call on God pan me. And look now, me get soft. Me banana get soft now. Look now, me banana soft now, girl. I feel like take off your head in your head, girl. I feel like shocking I take care of you more, my wife. I feel like take off your shocking head in this place, you know, girl. Talk about you praying to God. Must if God gonna give you dinner tonight, you bitch you. I hate you, ungrateful Jamaican bitch. I hate you, Tina. Thank you. Thank you, sugar daddy. God love me while you hate me. Because Satan want you to come, Satan come out your body for me lay down with Satan. To make Satan happy, because me I praise God, Satan want to use me that way. So you don't like when me pray, because when me pray now the banana gets soft, because the devil can't turn up on the God word. It gets soft. Because God is working. And God said, Olivet, that's the last time, girl, I'm going to take you out of it. And say, God, me never go back. God take me out of it. God take me out of it. All you cuss me. People on Facebook don't like you. You're not going to become nobody. This and all kind of sit my son and my daughter. It's going to be popular. They're making views. My son could get up there with a damn old thinking thing himself. Damn out harder. With your damn ball, don't even grow a strand a year. Because strike you at the ball in the party and strike you upon the damn head, you still won't grow a year. You understand me? I strike you on your head and you call me and you lock me up. I had to sleep in jail. Because you decide to come and harass me in my own house. In my own place. You think I can forgive you, man? I can't. I try to forget and move on, but you still live with me. The kind of stuff you beat me down with and disrespect me, ain't no niggas gonna want you out here. They're gonna want money from you. What you telling me? I'm a good man. I got my wife. I'm always run come to you. If you want 10,000, I'll go get it, give to you. Long as you be nice to me. Look how long me I there with you. And me can't take off nothing. Me have to protect myself all the time. You don't want to do it. You said no. I have for you sin thing. And you is my woman. No, you go home to your wife. You sin thing nasty. You sin thing. Go home to your wife and ask you no nasty. You sin thing. Yeah? I want to come kill me because me a you sin thing nasty. But God is good. And God knows what's going to provide for me. Mama said devil me come face to face with the devil himself. Because you always bawl like a dog and bark like a dog and sound like a demon. You never sound real. I saw your back. Like a dog. I never hear that yet. When a man there with a woman back like dog, so. A demons in your body. Because of your live. Left your wife, you go cheat on your wife and a bag like a dog, a woman yard. One time when you come to my house, I will never forget what you did. Because you wear your wife panty come on my yard, a G-string. That is a disrespectful thing you could ever did. And it takes me a long time to realize that it was a demonic shit. How can you steal a woman white G-string cotton and wear my yard? And you have the nerve to tie up the front, the wife beater. You have the nerve to take the wife beater and tie up the front of the top, but me look sexy with you and I cock off like your woman. You touch. Long time. And I end up have to go Manhattan and buy banana and strap on the banana and strap you up. Big banana. Big old dirty man, put in your bus up in your wine pan banana. You're a disgrace to society. I should have you pay me now and blackmail you for calling them and tell the world where I make money for. But you know what I'm going to do it? Because that deserves somebody who will kill me for that. But at least me can speak to man and protect the woman. I'm not going to do that. For blackmail for no money. I would never do that. But I will tell the woman to be careful and I never put your name out. I never put your address out what I'm talking about. Alright? Anybody we are dealing with you, they will know are you. By the way, me I talk about, because they're no idiot. They will say, but they sound like the same man, they're not fool. You understand me? You understand me? Are you do construction? They're not fool. They're not fool, brother. So you work for yourself so you can take advantage of people. They're not fool. Run from one woman yard to the other woman yard. And another woman yard, another woman yard. Like you have no abiding city. I talk about woman, I want to come call people phone and check on them where them they and we woman jobs. Why you can take the woman panty and wear come a woman yard? No, he's a big man from Pint. Dry belch before I eat. Why would you wear a woman cotton panty and you know? I want to see a stain panty, Mr. Tessa, but why you have like you look like an old period stain panty, you say, oh my wife wear it. Come on. Why would you wear that? What kind of stain panty? Why would you wear that? That is such a turn off, my nigga. Yo, I have witnessed some things in life. Only God alone can help me. I have witnessed some things in life. I have sinned too, man. I ask God to forgive me, man. I ask Allah to forgive me, you know. I say, Allah, please forgive me, you know. Because this world is messed up. Some of these guys walking around like they don't like banana and they want to chop up and give to them. They want pay all. Me so get one time I get 10,000 so. But me never get no 200, 300,000 and 400,000 I work and tell people. Nothing go so. He make up a story and tell people for them feel sorry for him. But I give this girl all this money, the girl, this and that. PLI. PLI to the people them. Nothing like that. Nothing. What me say? Like that. But him walk and tell people this. You know why though? Every dollar when you give you, put it together and put it a bigger price. I say from the time I give you money, from the time I talk, I spend about this amount. You know, I try to say about that I spend, that time nothing go so. Wicked. I walk and tell people them sitting like so, me spend much money upon me. Spend much money upon me, never have a good apartment for living in. Me still living in a man one room, where bed bugger bite me. And rat bite me, and you could have rent me a decent apartment. You wasn't no good, man, nigga. You wasn't no good. One day you come with $1,200. And the only way I could get $1,200 from him if I go to my friend's house. Because my friend upon public assistant and she have up a room. And I said to her, I said, boy, I make you a little money, you know. I want to bring somebody here today because I can't get the money to the man. And the only way I can make a little money at least because $1,200 can't move in a place, good place like that and pay security and everything. I said, well, I have to pay at least $1,200, you know, down and pay the rest. He must say, well, don't, it's a room, like you man want $1,200 and I go on and carry. I said, all right, just carry come. Because I know I couldn't do it. I know I need the money. I know I don't want to buy no money. Someone tell me, say, come and go get rent the place. So I go up there now and tell my friends, say, just act like that, you know, take all the things out of the room and put them in the next room. Kind of feel empty like. And Sugar Daddy come and say, come, the woman have the place ready. He reach up at the place and come, long time I fly in the fucking building. Long time, you know, can want to come man over my life and come lie down and get front with them big old ball in front itself every night. And I want to buy house, I buy big, invest in a big business, give me, you know. And want to come in like a chunk change done 1 day, 2, 3 days. And check expect to get front again, you know, while they got the big money kind while you go back. You know, say, you know, you need the money, you're hungry, you have to go. So make sure, say, if you give her big money, make sure she not give me an argue with her and cuss with her and get to me one, because if you go up, me had it done. And when he done, he put in 2 years or 9 years, when he bought it, now grown a year. And put on hat, I go and like my sweet boy with the big old false teeth night up on head. That's because one man lick out on my teeth, it's a lick out false, no problem. I soon get dental work and fix it. That's why I work and do my music because I have a lot of things to do. I don't really talk about. I want to fix up my teeth and them something there. And a lot more stuff I have to do. That's why I say I bust my ass. I do my music and I try to help myself because there's things that I want to do. You know? And so on. You know, when I really like to fix me feel down about. You know, make me feel more like a lower self-esteem with that because I want to fix with my teeth and so what I can do more, I can't do now because you see, last year what happened? I was making money but I never know myself last year. I wasn't buying any good clothes or big good shoes last year and I was making money like, you know, because I don't know what happened to me. I feel like I was drugged up and I didn't know myself. And a lot of people in life were saying, Olivet, you're drugged up. People giving you drugs in the house. And I was like, no. But after I realized I didn't have no sense at all and the amount of money were coming to me and the amount of things we do, I never get to buy nothing and I just went broke. And I never realized that I was all messed up in my mind. Whatever I was taking in my body, I also was putting stuff. I never know what I was doing. I was there, but I wasn't conscious about everything. So because of that, I lose a lot. But this year, I'm much conscious this year. So that is what really happened. Why it never get done last year? Because I wasn't in my right mind. I was going through a lot when the man try to keep me up. I come in the living room and the 2 boys them there. I don't know what I put on my stuff. I put around. I eat. I drink. I try to dash stuff and not to use it. But sometimes it's like anything I have to use. It just catch somewhere there. I realized my item was always closing all the way down like me asleep when I up on live. But I never know that I was drugged up. People were saying that she's drugged up. But I didn't understand what they were saying. So till when I could go back and look at those videos, I said, no, that's not just weed. That's something else. So I couldn't go out and buy nice clothes. I couldn't go out and buy nice shoes. And realize that I need these kind of things to get done and fix up myself. I couldn't realize I was just down all the time, trying to make more money and not realizing the more money I make, the less I got off. So that is what happened to me last year. I did not know myself. I come to myself afterward, and then I realized, oh shit, what just happened to me? And then I start to look back in everything and say, oh scrap, you know, I wasn't here. All I was doing is buying sushi, eat, and just go sleep and wake up, nothing else. When I realized maybe go out and buy good clothes or buy good shoes or I never conscious enough. And I realized something was wrong with me. So that's why I'm conscious now what I put in my body and whatever I eat and whatever, you know, the people are not living here no more. But I still, you know, just from what happened from before, I just kind of like, I'm paranoid not to be taking care of myself because I could have just lost my life just the same way, not knowing myself that much. So that is what happened. Why? It's not like I didn't make the money for that. I wasn't in my right mind to get anything done. That is what happened to me last year. There's a lot of things I don't talk about, I just don't talk about it. I just leave it. But God knows it all. Yeah, but I wasn't in my right mind a lot last year. Sorry to tell you, but I wasn't. I realized when I come to my mind that it was too late. I already didn't have anything. Everything was gone. And my Facebook for YouTube wasn't paying. Facebook didn't pay me no more. Somebody was out to get me and try to destroy so I wouldn't get paid. And a lot of things people was doing, either they steal the ads, send them somewhere else so they could make the money. It's a lot of stuff that was happening to me. And they still try to take away my YouTube from me again and just trying to get me off social media, trying to shut me down. And a lot of people try to shut you down because they want to get between your leg. And if they can't, they don't want to see your progress. They don't do anything at all to make you feel the worst way you can, that you're not doing anything for yourself and you're not good enough. But when you have money, you're good enough to people, and people can live happy. But after they, people bring you down and try to bring you down, and people bring it on to your last, to nothing, and they will turn around and hate you or disrespect you and like you're nobody and bring it on, make sure you don't have nothing ever again or ever rise, because that's why they try to destroy you in the first place, because of jealousy and bad mind. So basically, that's what happened. Last year, I didn't know much. Sorry, guys, I didn't go out and buy nice clothes and shoes like I supposed to. Buy a nice Indian wig at least. Even one of them, I couldn't do it. All that money, because I'm never in my right mind. It's after when I realized what was happening, it's too late. I realized what I was doing wrong. And, I don't take anything from anybody anymore. So that was it. It's a long story, guys. Trust me. Well, when you don't know yourself, I was going through a lot of stress too, remember? With all the stress and the guys and the whole night in the kitchen, I beat them party there from whole night from 9 o'clock till morning, what the hell I was doing, water. Like, when every time I drink the water, then I never feel right. My heart was racing. Like my heart, like I'm going to have a heart attack in my chest the last time I nearly dead. I feel like I couldn't breathe. I feel like I'm getting an heart attack. I couldn't breathe and shit like that, Stuff biting my skin and pinching me like needles running to all part of my body, like needle from some chemical that I in my food. And I threw up. I was having such a rough time for all the stuff that I was doing. And I learned. So if people going to say she paranoid and she this, but you got to learn from your mistake. You got to learn from your mistake, okay? Those people live around people that certain people are no good. When they're bad mind, they're just no good. I went to the supermarket and I forget to buy water. As I'm talking, I went to the supermarket and I forget to buy water. But I think this will be able to carry me till tomorrow. Seal. Just open. Yes, so you guys remember, to buy the music. As you do, let me know, okay? If you really buy it, let me know. Also, and so because yes, at least I know how much copy I sell. What's your name? Tell me anyway, but I just wanna good when you all let me know that you really buy it and it's there. Yes, so I love you guys, and I keep my punches up. I love God, I love people, and I just love to live my life. And many people is not going to like me because I'm too brave and I'm being myself. And I do not want to live careless life. I don't want to live prostitution life. I don't want to live whoring life. I don't want to drink drunken life, club life, up and down with the man all bout. I use your body, open your body and all kind of sitting. Make you all live them the life there. Them the life there, I no good life them there. But you just get a little one man where you like, where you love, you and him can cook a food and sit down and just enjoy it. You know, I smoke on like a big head bird and whatever, and I smoke on sitting and relax and I just enjoy each other and just enjoy life. As some me see life, I don't see life like having one man this or one man this or one man this. It's too much stress and problem, girl. Just find one little man. If you're even rich and you love him, and him go on and turn can make him keep him because you love him. Where the heart comfortable is the most important. When the heart is comfortable. Because when our heart is comfortable, everything else comfortable. So even if you're not rich and him love you, him make a little money and he can pay the rent, when he can make it, when he can start a little business on a house, sell a little something on Facebook and YouTube. I want to take a little time, you know, people bad mind. But you take your time and believe in God and just make it take time, sell. See you way. Did Goody call me? Sure, cause me now. I hope the girl come and forget it. Goody, I forgot now. I love you guys. I'll come back on later. Goody, you not reach yet? No, it's okay. I just want to know. I don't miss your call. Okay. It's okay, babe. I saw a missed call. I thought I missed the call. I didn't hear you. That's why. Yeah, okay. Okay, mama. I'm going to look about my customer stuff. I got to eat. I got to live. I believe in God. And one and only God. If Satan real, God real. So who's what say God not real? How come Satan real? Alright? I'm going to sell my music and do my thing. Me love you know. The ones who love Olivet, Olivet team, goody goody. When you come farm and ring, I'll back come do no thing. Everybody like the song. Me tell you, say them say, boy, this song you are shot. Banana throat. Deep throat, girl. You know, say the song bad. Them love the song. You know, goody? And, you know, it's my first song by myself. Managing myself to make it somebody to help me. At least do some good little song and so I bring up myself. Because people expect that I was going to sit down and not do anything. Once me done par man, I mean I record and I'm watching and more music I make man, she don't know what you done, man. She done with that. Not me. I'm a fighter. My head is like, the reason why I do music, I'll just be here right now, right? I'm going to tell you what happened to me. I'll just be here right now. And bam, something come in my head like a music, right? And either me go and get some rhythm and start play it out or sing it. If me don't, it come like me go mad. It come like it go mad in my brain with the music. So that's why I just rather just get it out. I'm telling you good, me keep telling you that me have to do it. Because I love it and it keep me calm. Me feel sweet. When me I do the rhythm, it's like when you play a video game. So it's like you like video game, me like the beat them. Me like the music, you know. It's something like that. Like how you don't like a game, me like the beat, me like the music. Like how you like your game and you play a game, you like it. And so me like it. So instead of me play a game, me will listen to the rhythm them. And like make song to them. I love it. And the song is clean. I'm going to say deep throat or banana, but it's clean. You know, it's not bad. You know, it's very clean song. And that's why it was able to go up where they could, you know, it's very clean. You know, I told you guys I'm going to do some religious music. I'm also going to do it. I don't forget you guys. But right now, I'm that little dancehall tune, couple little bit, you know. Get the thing up so I can able to balance myself properly. I want to be able to make money so I can help other people. The reason I don't go out and start telling people donate to give to other people, a lot of people I see do that and they're always in a lot of hot water. So people thief money and they don't get this and that. I don't want to be in that. I want to have something I give somebody, I give them from my heart, from me. You understand? And that will happen one day to come because I believe in God and I believe in keeping my punches up. I'm not here to look for a boyfriend. I'm not here looking for man. I'm just here playing my music, advertising it. You can download it or you can buy a CD from me, goody. When you buy your cream, I will send me a little donation. I will still send it for you, you know. So you can have it. Become a picture up on the CD too. And it's good. It sounds really nicer than the first one because it cleaned up and everything. So it's really nice. It's really beautiful, you know. I'm trying. I can't sit in America and not do anything or run a bar and night time, tight up clothes, I pick up man, figure over with them, lie up with them and move on to our next bar next week, and our next bar the other week. Me can't live so. Me believe in God. And these days, looking outside and looking at the street and look at the people and look what's going on the road, the world is really going down and it's going very fast. But people are not noticing how everything is changing. People are dying so much every day. I'm telling you, from Jamaica to Trinidad to every country. It's happening every single place. And people only have a little time to come on the internet if you're still alive, to laugh, to enjoy with your children, with your family, with your husband, with your boyfriend. Eat your food and just laugh when Olivet eat. When me around me joke, just laugh, just enjoy it, like a funny comment. You don't have to come here and cuss me or belittle me. Because life is too important for that. It's going very fast. You don't have time. So enjoy the little you have and try not to bring somebody else down. Whether they fat, Whether they're skinny, whether they're pretty, whether they're ugly. If you feel they're ugly way God made them, or they're fat, or they're whatever, somebody love them. They're somebody's child. You're a human being just like you. So many of you in pretty shape, with pretty face, and the most beautiful shape, and you try to stay that way, and maybe a next person don't go and work out, or they're overweight. That doesn't give you the necessary to put somebody down, to tell them, oh, bitch, you're this, you're that, because you just want to hate the person. Because believe me, all your little skinny waist gonna get fat one day. It's just a matter of time. When age kick in, baby, everything start to change. You do exercise, you get slower than you used to. I used to do a lot more exercise than now. Now I hardly do none at all, but I can get back up. You know, you understand it, because this is a time where it's important. And when I was young, I used to live on it in the gym every day. But now it's important than then. I used to have a badass body then. But now as I work out, I look real good too. But now I haven't worked out for weeks now. Maybe a month and a half to 2 months, I haven't worked out. I ain't gonna lie. So that's how I look like how I look now. But the thing I like about myself, eating the same food that I'm eating, that I enjoy, also not putting on this, eating the stuff that's gonna like, putting on, me eating a lot, you know. I me even take the, they call it, to make you gain weight. I'm still take a weight gain and still lose weight, because you're eating more. That's the trick I did. To make you eat more, but you eat more of the good stuff, and you push out your body, let off a lot more fat. Because the body is saying, oh, she eating a lot, man. It's a lot of fat here. You know, I ain't got to store this fat. I could let it go because I'm getting more. She feeding, she putting it in. But the food that you're putting in don't have the amount of fat that your body let go. So when your body let go more fat and take in the amount of food, to get the same amount of fat or more to put back, you end up with less fat because you trick your body. What you put in don't carry that much fat. If you understand what I'm trying to say, it's hard for people to understand. That's why you have program where they say you eat more and you lose weight. That is why. If you're a person that eating a bucket of fried chicken, you're eating ice cream, you're eating burger, McDonald's, everything. Okay? And you're a person that eat that all the time, and your body is very big. Okay? You go ahead and you start in your kale and apple or whatever you're eating. You're doing your corns and you're doing your okra and other things that don't carry the amount of fat, like the fried chicken and all the other white bread and all that you was soda and all that you was drinking. So now you go ahead and you make your green juice or fruit juice, or we make at home with your ginger or whatever. And you go ahead, you make your callaloo, you go ahead and make your fish. And you start doing your fish, and fish every day, fish and potato, fish and this, fish your brown rice, fish and couscous like I do. Anyway, your body, by putting the same amount of food or even more, your body going to take more food now. Not the amount you used to put in McDonald's. When you start eating healthy, your body going to take more than what you used to put in. Yes, your body take more food now, because your body not clogged up no more. Your body all cleaned out, everything you go bathroom, everything is coming out your system daily. You don't have no feces clog up in your body from the soda and the white bread and the whole sandwich and the whole this and the KFC and Popeye, and so your body let go freely. So you go bathroom and everything come out your stomach. So even though you eat a whole of food, your belly look big like you're pregnant. Tomorrow morning you come to bathroom, your belly flat. Because everything I pass back through and go down. So when I still I eat the whole thing of food, and I say, boy, me still I look good same way at the end of the day. That's the whole trick, because if you put in the amount of kale, fish, couscous, and where you want to put in, like you put in the KFC and put in all of that. And you used to do the KFC and you used to do all the rest of stuff, and you do that instead of it. Your body gonna let go fat real fast. Because your body is thinking now, you're doing the same thing you always do. You know? So when you take that in, the body's like, let me let go some fat, because she put in a lot of fat. You know, I could let go some. But when you let go the fat now, you don't get the amount of fat back because of what you eat. It's not in the food. So you end up with lesser fat on your body. That's how it works. You understand me? Don't cry for me, bitch. Cry for your mama, your papa that you didn't know. Okay, mama was a whore. Don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Me have no reason to cry for me. Don't cry because me not dead. Me not like when down to cry, because I'm a happy person. Don't cry for me. Good. I tell you Arab guys to stop coming if you don't write English. Stop coming here and comment if you don't write English. This is America. Don't do it. You're going to get blocked. BLACK, block. You don't speak English, mother's cunt. You're writing all this shit. You don't put a heart. You don't put a finger. You don't put a smile. You're writing all this shit. Get off here. When you get black, you can't blame me. You all coming over here jerking your damn banana to all these people doing this nasty, smelly stuff. Not because my name is Olivet Smelly give you a right to come over here and come do smelly stuff. I'm telling you, don't do that. That's not good. Be love. I don't want to block people. I hate to block people. I hate to block you guys. You put English, English, English. English, God damn it. English, God damn it. English. You, sis, English, you. English, you. You English, you. You do. English, you. You English. You English. 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 English, man. You no go school English? No school? English school. Your mama. English school you go? I love you. I love you all. Speak English, please. I love you. Please. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to block you. That's why I don't want to do that. No. Because I love all of you. You know, it's not right to block. No good. I don't want to block. You know, I love you, man. You hear? School English. I love you. Yeah. I love you too, man. I'm going to cook now. I'm going to cook my food, yeah. There's some more corn left. I'm going to cook up the corn there. There's some more corn. I'm going to eat all of them. Because guess what? I'm going to eat till tomorrow. I'm going to make the corn, make some more kale and some French fry. I'm going to make it now and come back on talk to him. Yeah, I love you. Make sure you call in and buy a CD. I'm about goodie something. I'm about goodie something first, because I forgot again, you see? I gone. Love you. Mwah. And cook. Later we come and talk. Yeah, later me come and talk, man. Huh? You drink drugs? I don't know what them motherfuckers was staying here putting my food. I don't know what y'all put in the water and shit. And that skinny ass bitch that used to run back here, take a while. You find it funny like she wanna come and fight me in your living room. And then Obia, the next one in about the black ones ever speak Spanish. I work voodoo in here, the Spanish man, I tell him what to do. I born all kind of sitting in a nasty contest, boy. The boy see me, you know. See the boy, yeah? When me there talk to Jane and J Pass, see the boy, yeah? When Jane now look. Yeah, because Jane don't see me, no. See me, yeah? You know, you me not pay on my mind? Yeah, me look down like a shame dog, and me feel like he might try to do something to me. Or I try to put question to me, and me feel shame because I don't like that, you know. So me kind of look down like a little dog. When me look up back and think, so well, that is it. In continuous, you know. Like, what's up? What's up? What's up, my nigga? What's good? What you saying? What's up? Or hit that? Hit that? Can I hit that? What's up? Huh? Can I hit that? Yeah. I like that. I like what I see. You know, some shit like that. I don't know what it means, but to me, to me, it must mean some shit, my nigga. I don't know, man. That's like, to me, that's what it meant. You know, like, You know? I look down because I don't like when people do this kind of shit to me. Like when some people come in and shake your hand and then take them big old dirty finger and rub in your hand middle and scratch up in your hand middle and dirty thinking and if you take away your good energy. If you tell us so they want to deal with you, they want to take them finger and rub in on the middle if you say, well, like this, so they want to rub, you know, damn out order. You take them dirty and flash out down to your hand, flash out down to your hand and do it. And then she say, you know, fling their hand. Flash your hand, fling if you don't want to break a feet business. But now the man place when come out, now pay the man rent too much long. I see the man ex-girlfriend come and the man is there with the woman at 20. You go come here, come on. When he couldn't get in with he go tell the man me up alive. Go tell the man, say, listen, you know my baby inside the room sleeping and this girl was on live and she wake up my baby. When the man tell me, say, man, come complain as a boy, you know, you wake up the man baby and something that's not good. And I'm say, like, what? Yeah. Yeah, like a film place like me can't catch you the dirty catches, boy. Smell front when you walk past bright. Them still trying to kill me. Let me tell you something. We're still waiting. And we know about you and we have your picture put on. Them put on the picture put on where they live in here. When you think you can't do nothing and get away, you want to put down in a case file on it. They're more harder. Don't threat me if I not go have no picture put on. If anything happen to me, hey, you think so? Take me fool. Oh, they put America most wanted baby. Let me go and go mix up, get the woman the celebrity rights ready already, but me I put more strength in the fear. You're still doing the same thing in Israelites? This all of the I say stop writing a lot. You don't not understand English. We don't understand Arab. We don't understand. We don't know. We don't know to read this stuff. We don't know how to read this stuff. How we gonna read this stuff? How we gonna know if you're talking about here? We cannot read the stuff. We read English. We cannot read the goddamn stuff. And some of these parasites, you know, they go in and speak in Israel, act like other people and give people a bad name. And all of them, some of them speak English and them I do it because them nasty. And they want to lie me down. I mean, I want them frowns with big tone, donkey tone people them. Why don't you be quiet a little? Why don't you, or why you over here? Why I have to be quiet to suit you? I don't have to be quiet. You need to be quiet and get the F off here. I can do whatever I want to do. I don't have to be quiet. You have to be quiet because this is not your shit. And you come over here being a bit nosy, buddy. But I love you. Who is next, Punchinella like a fella? Yeah, speak English fast. So them say. Me not think so. Come to speak fast in Jamaica, trust me. Yeah, I love it too. I hate the black people, but these people are disrespecting all this long line. I'm sorry. Some of them is gone. This big long line. I'm tired. I cannot do it anymore for you guys. I know you doesn't have a lot of connection to black people, but I mean, you know, you can't do that. Hate all you want, goddammit. You think we're afraid of hate? Hate is gonna stop us from eating our food. God bless you. I know that stinking white fall is still running behind me on here. I know. She really wants to be me so bad. She fight me with the garbage in here. She's a crook. The woman got a long file. She's a criminal, you know. When I run her background, she's a damn thief. She take the man to court and end up getting money from him and living here free for months. That bitch is a real criminal, boy. She's a real thief, boy. Y'all ain't gonna take over this page. I keep telling you, I gotta clean it up. I keep talking to y'all, you're not listening. If you're not listening, then I'm sorry. Whatever happened to you, I'm sorry. Okay? I'm so sorry. So sorry. You're not listening. You can't speak English, but you decide to write this whole big line of stuff and you can't speak it. That don't make no sense. I keep telling you. Just keep doing it. We can't understand. We speak English. We don't understand. Right? English. We don't speak that. We don't understand. You cannot threaten to come blow up the whole country. We're not in it. You understand? Ben Latin try the same thing. Don't do it over here. No. Don't do that. So, therefore and then, who get black up for them business because me gonna come back and do what I want to. Jamaica is where I come from and I'm American citizen. You're not gonna do that here. So either you come off and got me tired to talk to them not hearing. So who can't hear must feel, Baba. I don't want to come take over my page, you don't think that's what I want to do. But it's not going to happen. I don't want to overcome me and take over the page, but before I overcome me and take over the page, I overcome and I'm black on all and burning like flies because I'm tired to talk to them and not listening. So who can't hear must feel. You see, I can't dominate the whole country in my account. This is not a quick way to connect the whole country. I not get paid to connect the whole country here. This is not how this shit works here. You connect from one part of the country, the whole country, and you take over and start right and connect and take over. This is not a place to take over this thing. No. You don't come take this over upon country, yes, so it don't work this way. No. You can't do it here, I'm sorry. I'm tired to talk to none of the one here. Take over my thing out and the one country. I can't see none of my people in English. That's their mouth order. I'm not watching none of the comment. I'm not speak English. My people, I can't see my English comment them. Because I try outcome all the people them. So I can't hear me go to them and say that's their mouth order and it's me tired for talk too, no. Me tired for talk. Who can't hear must blast it well and feel. Black out on the mama cross is where I come from. Because we speak English and me go no chance and be nice to you and not take me a rass idiot. So now me take action and black out on a nasty cussy ass. Let me tell you something. Me a Jamaican, me pay full for catch rass wise. Very long pussy. Remember me telling you that. You hear me? Enough is enough. Go. Me go no chances, me go no love. Me not frightened for you. Me not frightened for you. No, come and bend, come over here, come take a revenge over here, so. Wanna blow up the freaking 9/11, now go up again. Come on for this rass, go happen over here. Me can't deal with it. I'm afraid of y'all. Start speaking all that damn thing I don't understand. No, Baba. I don't want to do it, but it's getting out of hand. Take over the whole blasted line. I take time the whole country, take time I take over the line. I take over the line, take time I take over the line. The whole country I take over the line. And if you sit down here like a blasted idiot, because me go no chance. Me go no chance after chance not to do it. Me tell no don't do it because I don't speak English, don't do it. But when you decide to disrespect me and go ahead and write a bag of crap. Somebody will put up some sign like love and something that want black them because they might try. At least when I write, they put up all the signs. Damn motor. Can't deal with that, man. Too much. More of the people are not English. Until I end the video and black out all of them on the video today, I'm going to make more and come back. But the whole country come over here, so I don't know who the whole leading over here, so. I'm leading like a blind shepherd, boy. I don't want black on, but that's disrespectful. Nothing in English, make you say. Come on, that's not right. I tell you already, said do not. That's right, I'm sorry. I don't want to do it, but I have no eternity. I know eternity, I guess that's the right word. Didn't go to school much. Can't do that, man, come on. It's like disrespect. Someone tell us something and you continue still doing it. That's not right. Hello. I want to say hello in English. Alright, you're alright. You're not get black. Hello, hi. You're not going to get black. You said hello in English. Do not comment in your thing all long line and write up this whole heap of stuff. Don't do it. If you don't want to be black, don't do it. English. Good. I don't tell already nothing. I joke, I don't know. When you come like hands, well, me coming like fly. I love them and I want to black people, but you're writing up all this stuff to me can't say nothing in English. Come on. Hello, and what is the matter? Oh, you try to speak English. You put Hood old on the mother. I love you. God bless you, girl. Goze Sima Guizhscim. Yeah, big up yourself. Much love, yeah. Much love, at least you tried, at least you try. Some of them don't try, baby. They don't try. At least you try English. Good. Good, very good. No black for you. You stay. Stay, you stay, yeah. Daguga. That ain't a Daguga in English, but make it along. What you say? I'm gonna make it people in Robbins, yeah. Make it put the Robbins on it. You make already, me have make already, but let me say, Can you celebrity? What make celebrity white people? Me tell the truth. I don't make a batch of celebrity white. I make a small amount of batch. I don't make a whole big batch like usually I make. The simple fact why I do that. You see me buy all the stuff them to make it. To make the amount I want to make. I couldn't make the amount I want to make a small amount of batch and then make a bigger set. Because the amount of stuff it take to make it, I want to make sure say it perfect. So I have all the stuff and I make a small amount of batch for the people I want, and then I go make a next bigger batch in the next couple of days. So I have done this to set up with all the things them, because it take long. But the tired man for make a whole big batch. And it take a lot of stuff to make them. A lot of $100 last time it cost me almost $1,200, $1,100 and something to make the batch. So sometimes I go make the batch good and I can't just make the batch. So I have to buy a whole set of stuff. All 700 out of stuff and put them down and go back again and do the same. And then I go back again and pick up like a Nick Snacks and I have and I come and I make it. I saw the celebrity might make. It costs a lot of money to make. Because the kind of medicine that going at it, it's expensive. The lady look at me and say, boy, you really buy expensive things and good things to make your cream. Yeah, that's why people don't complain when they buy cream because I sell good cream, but the cream work fast. Because you see how dark my face is just a couple of days now, how much light I'm reach already. You see me in a couple of days, how light me is. Come and do it up tonight. Cream good, man. I sell good cream. And the thing about it, when you go back dark, your skin just look pretty, look. Just look pretty like, damage or nothing. Everybody buy celebrity white, buy one. If you don't buy one, you can't ask anybody. We tell you, yeah, man, it's bad. It's bad because all expensive cream. So the cream are $25 for one bottle. We are going at it. $25 for one bottle of cream. $15 one bottle of cream. And then they kind of something to put in it. Put everything, and there's a lot of stuff goes in it. If you come out right, a lot of serum. Costs a lot of expensive serum too. What the same expensive lotion for go with the serum are going at it too. So that's why. Right? So I have a batch of make so good you can get out of that. For your daughter. Since we know her good and she's a real customer, I actually put some more serum in that also. Because them like family, So I love you guys. I talk to you again later. Let me get it ready and go cook my food so I could come back and chat to them before I go to my bed. Thank God. God be the glory. Make them sit down and stop worry about me. Me never tell nobody say, me a show off pan nobody, me humble, me not have nothing for show off pan. Me not have nothing, me not one room, I saw you almost empty, me have a little cream and me sitting there and me pray to God. But me try to make it be joyful and to be happy and not to stress myself out and just try the best I can to help myself so things get better. But not put things in my mind like you have no control over at this point. Alright, so I love you and I see you soon. Alright.